Okay, it's Saturday, April 25th, and from my understanding about onions is that slicing onions, bulbed onions, are ready when they fall over. Now, some of these are teensy bulb onions, but they're still bulb onions. They're not very large, but some of them are also really big, and they still ain't fell over. So I'm gonna pick the ones that fell over. I already picked 2 of them to give to my mother and father to take home. They're gonna let them try it, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull these on up and see. So the way I understand it, see, I don't know if that's, I think that could have went longer, but I don't know. I don't care. But you're supposed to let these cure for like a couple, 3-4 days. So, I mean, that's almost baseball size. It's a little small, but that's all right. I'm gonna see what they do. Well, that stem is propped up. It's getting weak right there. That's what I feel. So I think that might be what they said. Oh, my bucket fell. Now, some of the bigger ones, like that one, it's still rolling. And when this one right here barely had anything in the ground. So I think that's it. That's all the ones that have fell over. Well, maybe that one, I don't know. Give it a little bit more time. We'll see. So, what that is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I picked today. I picked 8 of them. I picked 8 of them because I gave 2 to mom and dad, and these are gonna go now. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 left in the ground. So, not bad for a first year, give it a try type thing on onions. I gotta go get a few of these chicken eggs. I'll take y'all to see that. Boy, people have been shooting guns today a lot. It's a gun shooting day. Cool. Look at that. That's a few, huh? That's a few. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13 in there. That's 13 on that side. Watch it. Let's see what we got on this other side here. 6 more. So 19 eggs. That's I believe 2 days work there. I didn't pick yesterday. So, Lord, if I had that many every day, that would be crazy. Still a lot. Alright. Well, that's all I got for today. Alright. Now I got a few beans right there. A couple more right there. Some little ones right there. There's another one right there. A few beans showing up, not much. I done picked a few and ate them. They had some on there. You know how I'm just walking around the garden and eat whatever I see. I was noticing that some of the potatoes washed in the last rain we had. Just checking. And I thought I saw the top of the seed potato, and it did not. It looked like it was uncovered, and I said, oh man. So I started fishing around it, and when I did that, I was surprised to see that was not just the seed potato that I saw. There was other potatoes under there. So I don't think that's the seed potato right there. No, that is not a seed potato. Look at that. That's a regular potato. So I'm gonna cover it back up. They got potatoes in there. So they're potatoes in there. And some of the plants are dying. So I'm gonna give them a little while longer and see if they continue to grow a little bit more. Let them potatoes get bigger and hopefully have a good harvest. I'm surprised that there's even potatoes in there because I ain't never grown potatoes before, and I hear a lot of people say they fail on those. That one's ready. That one's ready. That one's probably almost ready. I'm not. Look at here. This one's got one more day each. This one right here is ready. I guess I should go around in there. That one's ready. See, they kind of petering out. I guess the heat is coming on. I might, if I can just keep holding on and get a few here and there, I might get enough to make a meal. That was a potato. I don't know if it got dug up. That's a deer track right there. Deer came in here. Look, there's another deer track right there. And yeah, walked along the fence. Ate my blackberry bush again. God dog, I need a. And same here. Look at that. Ate the whole god dog thing. I'm just gonna have to enclose them in. Look at the flowers on the potatoes. That's some nice flowers on the potatoes. So say that means the flowers are saying they're making potatoes. So that's good. What I'm out here to do right now, number of things. I got off of work a little early today, and because I gotta work a lot over the weekend, so I'm gonna try and get some things done. I'm gonna come and get these onions that are, see, they felt over like that. See how they say that's when they're ready. So I'm gonna come and pick them. And look at that nice onion there. Nice, huh? Another nice one there. So give them a few days of whatever they call that, curing. And see, this one fell over. Not as big, and here's a real small one, but that's okay. It's onion in there. So yeah, look like this one fell over too. That's a big nice one. Cool, that's a heavy one. Yeah. That one ain't fell over yet, and that's the biggest one I got. That one ain't fell over. That one ain't fell. That one's just leaning. I don't think it fell over yet. That one hasn't. So, well, look at that garlic looking good. Now this garlic fell over, so I don't know what that means. That's ready, but it don't look too great, but smells wonderful. Wow. So this other garlic, I need to dig around it so I can hopefully get the bulbs to expand a little bit more. I don't know if that's how that works. It smells very garlicky around here. Okay, so that's the onion haul. What I gotta come back and do, we had that storm come through and it leaned over some of my corn. I'm gonna try and come prop it back up. Actually, I'm gonna do that right now. Let's see. See, I ain't never really did corn before, so I don't even know if that's how it's supposed to be done, but that's all I can think of. I mean, a big old stalk like that. I hope that's how it's done. I mean, it'd have been nice that I have it healed a little bit more. So this is the onions that I had from the garden so far that I picked. They had that one little garlic. Gotta kind of wash that off a little bit, but it doesn't look great, but it's got some garlic cloves in there. That was a pretty rough one anyway. So some of these ain't the biggest, but they definitely good onion size. I mean, this one right here is small, but it's still an onion. I mean, that's enough to use to make seasonings. And that's the smallest one, I believe. Yeah, those 2, 3. Oh wait, there's a small one under there, but that's all good. That's all real good. I like that. So good.